هتسمع كل جملة باللهجتين البريطانية والأمريكية. ركز معايا، في المرة الأولى هتسمعها باللهجة البريطانية، وفي المرة التانية هتسمعها باللهجة الأمريكية. والمطلوب منك إنك تسمع وتردد الجملة اللي باللهجة المفضلة ليك، سواء بريطانية أو أمريكية. وياريت تكتبوا لنا في التعليقات أي لهجة أسهل ليكوا وبتفضلوا.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
how are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How old are you?
How old are you?
What do you do?
What do you do?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Where is the bathroom?
Where's the bathroom?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I like it.
I like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
What time is it?
What time is it?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
I need help.
I need help.
Can you show me?
Can you show me?
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
Where can I find a bank?
Where can I find a bank?
How do I get to the airport?
How do I get to the airport?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I'm sorry for your loss.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How was your day?
How was your day?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm studying.
I'm studying.
I'm working.
I'm working.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
Can you give me a pen, please?
Can you give me a pen, please?